What? Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon have you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's garage, Fiona. Bye!
Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, mechanicals? What? Oh. Baby Truck, wait! Oh no! We frightened Baby Truck away. Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, mechanicals. We need to find Baby Truck. Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, Baby Truck. You were so brave. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Happy Halloween! It's all right, mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko.
Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again.
I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew! Whatever it was, I think it's gone.
What? Where?
Oh no, Mechanicals! I think the garage might be haunted.
Blue.
Oh, wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone.
It's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Look! Here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course, we haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top, we can wash all that mud off. That's strange. The rollers are meant to wash the bubbles off. Aha, that's it! Baby Truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Hooray! The car wash is working and Baby Truck is sparkling clean.
It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. What? What on earth was that noise? Bobby the bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ow! Nope, that's not it. Wait a minute. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly,
We can fix that. We've found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make the hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's Garage. Bye!